Stop right there! Where do you think you're going?
I'm here to see my friend Lily.
What? Can't you see the sign? This means no food and snacks.
Oh, okay. I can't believe they don't let us bring snacks. Oh! It's a safety vest and a tool bag. I can use this. Whoa, this is the perfect disguise. All right, time to go back in. Excuse me, sir. I heard a machine is broken. I'm here to fix it.
What? No one told me anything. Yeah, go ahead. The dentist room is that way.
All right, thank you so much. Hey, I'm here. Huh?
Who are you? You're not the dentist?
It's me, Joyce, and I brought snacks.
Oh, hey, Joyce, you brought snacks? That's awesome!
Yeah, check it out. I brought your favorite too. Here.
Wow, thanks! You're the best!
Oh, you're welcome.
Wait, but why are you wearing a safety vest?
Oh, that's a long story. Let's eat some snacks. Okay. Hi, I'm here for Joyce.
Wait a second. There's no snacks allowed. You either throw it away or eat it in the break room.
Oh, really? I'll just eat it in the break room then. Oh, I can't bring in snacks. Ooh! One of the dentists forgot their lab coats. I can use this. Ooh, this looks good. Hey, what's this? Ooh, a mask and sunglasses. Let's put them on. Now I look like a dentist. I can go see Joyce. Hello, excuse me.
Hey,
I'm the new dentist. Do you know where the patient rooms are?
new dentist? We don't have any new dentists. What's your name?
Dr. Frost, yeah.
Dr. Frost? Wait! Hey, you're that girl from earlier! I'm gonna call security!
Security on
Wait, stop right there!
This is gonna work for sure. Sorry, I got
Oh, lady, what are you doing?
I'm the cleaning crew.
Oh!
Alright, I'm done here. Time to go to the patient's room.
What's your problem?
Huh? Is that you, Lily? Wait, you work here as a cleaning lady now?
No, silly, I brought you some snacks. Look. I pretended to be a cleaning lady so I can bring these in.
Whoa, that's amazing. You're the best friend ever.
Let's see.
Okay. There has to be a way to sneak these snacks in. Wait! I can make this into a flower vase. Now put in the flowers. Alright, time to go in. Hello, I'm here to see a patient.
Okay. What's her name? And those aren't snacks, right?
Her name's Lily, and no, these are flowers for her, see?
Oh, okay. Let me see. Lily is in room 302. You can go that way.
Alright, thanks.
Wow, what a great friend.
Hey Lily, I came to visit you.
Wow. Are these for me? Thanks.
Yeah, and there's a surprise inside, look.
Oh, really? Wow. These are my favorite M&Ms.
I knew you liked them. Give me some too.
Joyce, you have to help me. Bring some snacks, please.
Alright, fine. I'll try my best. I want to bring these candy in, but I'll get caught. Oh! I can actually use this medicine box. First, I need to take out all the medicine. Now, grab some candy and put it in the box. Perfect! Now time to see Lily.
Whoa, where are you going?
Oh, I'm just bringing medicine in for my friend.
Oh, that's just medicine? Okay.
What did you think it was?
People were trying to sneak in snacks.
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
All right.
Hey, Lily.
Hey, did you bring the candy?
Yep, got it right here.
Wait, but that's medicine. That's not candy.
Just trust me, look.
Whoa, awesome.
That's smart, right? That's how I pass security.
Yeah, you're a genius.
Thanks. Now give me some.
Hey, you can't have those. Leave them outside.
Oh, really? Aww.
Yeah, you can come back if you don't have those.
Okay. I'm gonna sneak some candy in here. Okay, time to fill it up. Wow, there's so much space in here. Awesome! It fits perfectly. Now I have to cover it up with the other stuff. I should be able to sneak it in with this.
Hey, wait a second.
Huh?
Where are you going in? What's in that box?
Oh, this? It's just a first aid kit.
Oh, wait, that looks super familiar. Did you steal that from us?
Oh, no, that one's mine.
I'm gonna check it. Can you explain this?
I didn't know those were in there.
You know you can have candy. Get out of here.
How am I supposed to sneak in Joyce's favorite candy? The security's so tough.
Oh, did I hear something?
Oh, that was close. I have an idea. I'm gonna turn this into my hair. Perfect! Now to put it on my hood. Now I just gotta tape my hoodie. Now I just gotta tape on my fake hairs. Alright, I'm done. Oh wow, this looks so cool. Alright, time to go in.
Hey! You have no food or snacks, right?
Yeah, nothing, look.
Alright, you can go in.
Okay.
Oh, her hair's so weird.
Hey Joyce, I brought your favorite candy.
Really? Where? I don't see it.
Look, it's right here.
What? No way, that's awesome.
Here, have some.
Okay, thank you. Whoa, you made it look like hair? You totally tricked the security guard, didn't you?
Yeah, he didn't suspect a thing.
How gullible. Does it look good on me?
Yeah.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Remember to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.